Hi, my name is Eugene and I'm here to show you a new line dance, Pray For Me, that I choreographed with MC Richardson. It is a 64 count, 2-wall, intermediate level line dance. There's a restart on wall 2 after 32 counts, and it has a 16 count introduction. It was choreographed to the song Pray For Me by Kendrick Lamar, The Weeknd, and SZA, and comes from the Black Panther movie. I'll show you first the steps and then the counts. So the first set of 8. Your weight is on your right. You're going to do a forward lock step. Step, lock step, half pivot, and a triple full turn. You're going to follow that by a forward rock recover with a body roll. So rock, recover. From there, you're going to step back on your left as you sweep your right. Step back on your right as you hit your left. Continue going back with a lock step and a back rock recover, followed by a half quarter. The next set of 8. You're going to do a behind side cross, a rock recover quarter turn, and then half. Following that, you're going to do a cross rock recover, ball cross rock recover, ball half, pivot, sway left, sway right. On the and count of that set of 8, you're going to do a ball step into a step drag, ball step drag, ball step, swivel, swivel, quarter turn. Next set of 8, you're going to do rock recover step, rock recover turn, rock recover step, a touch unwind. And that's a 3/4 unwind. Following that, your weight is going to be on your left. You're going to do 2 sambas, samba step, samba step. You're going to do a rock recover, half with a sweep, into a behind side cross, side behind side, cross rock recover, and a wizard step. That's the end of the dance. Now let me review the dance with the counts. Weight is on your right. Starts with a wizard step. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. That's the end of the dance. Hope you enjoy it.